I saw this. So these new cube lounges at Tesla Supercharge. I like this.
Yeah, modular.
I was trying to figure out what to do with the charging and on the road trips. You got to figure out what to do. You can sit in your car, and I know they try to make it an entertainment beacon. They give you a display. They're like, just watch something. Shut up and charge and watch. But you might want to stretch your legs out, Will.
Yeah.
Going cross country. You gotta walk around. You might want something else, like a coffee or something like this. It's kind of good to take a break and move around. Well, that's what this is about. This is in Europe, so you're not gonna mess with this anytime soon. This is in Germany, and it's a deployable cube lounge, which can kind of be set up in a modular fashion, and it can be deployed and taken down very quickly. It's all quite high tech with QR codes to get in and out. Really easy to set up. You don't even need an app. I watched a video, a guy sort of demonstrating how it works, and then you get in, and it's all these automated vending machines. You know, I love the vending machine.
Oh, yeah.
And the vending machine has like sandwiches that were made that day, and they got like beers in there, and you can pick
right from Japan,
except in Germany.
Yes.
And there's this one section in there where there's these different cabinets if you need like headphones, like Bose headphones, or I don't know, travel essentials. You got to buy a toothbrush, and it's little cubbies, and you put the code, and then that cubby unlocks, and you take that.
Fun.
And they got nice bathrooms. They have the automated pizza, which is another Japan favorite. 4 minutes. Pizza in 4 Minuten. I love pizza in 4 Minuten.
Okay.
It's my favorite kind. And they got the Nintendo Switch set up for the youngsters.
Nice.
Or the oldsters, whichever. Little Mario Kart going on. And so you go in this little pod here. You got the nice climate. Your car is charging anyways. You stretch out a little bit. They even have a couple private meeting rooms or work rooms, which are silent, sound treated. You might have to have a phone call. Might need a little private time. Catch a little refresh. It's courtesy of BK World. It's called the BK World Lounge. Maybe we can see more of this at other supercharger locations because it's modular. It's not permanent. I don't know how that changes the kind of permits you need and stuff. Because you can just come pick it up, I guess, and take it away.
Looks roomy, too.
If need be. So I like this.